So this is heat press printing. So these ones are long sleeve shirts. So they'll have two logos on the front and another one as well on the back. So this is just being put into position now. So this unit's heated up to 170. That goes for, I think that was 10 or 11 seconds. And it comes with an alarm. So this will go and have a little dry. So here's a stencil here. So this part here gets heated onto the shirt, and that's what you see there. So another one being done now. We'll show you the other one after. Just gonna watch some t-shirts being made. We did a silk screen one the other day, but this one's a heat press. So these stencils here. They get heated up onto a shirt. Just watch that going on. Yes, so this is the back of the shirt. Okay, we'll just watch this being done. So this process goes through twice. So it's heated up to just over 170. So it goes for about 10-11 seconds. 2 times. So a sticker will go on the front there. So there's a one there. Oh, there's a few different sizes. So this will rest for a few moments, then go back in, rest, and then be peeled off. So there's just another stencil to go on the front. After these rest for a little. I think it's about 50 or 61 to be made apparently. Pretty interesting process. Alright, we'll come back when the front one's been done. So this will be pressed again. So as I said, 2 times they get pressed. So that's the front logo, which will be put on. There we go, so that's 10 seconds. Yeah. So this is going through for a second print. Okay, so that's that print there.